Spotify Color Palette. What is it and how can you get access to the Spotify Color Palette? That's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. So this has just popped up on my radar and I think it's pretty cool, so I thought I would share it with you. Basically what you can do is you can discover a color palette based off your music taste. So Spotify or this third-party website is going to take your music taste into consideration and then give you a custom color palette based off your music taste, which I think is pretty cool and fun to find out. So what I'll do is I'll link this article in the description so you can read up further about it, but in short you're just going to get a color palette based off your music taste. Now how can you get access to this? Well, there is a link within this article and I'll leave the direct link down in the description down below. But if you're on this article, you just want to scroll down until you find this section here where it says you can discover the website here. So I'll tap on that. All you will need to do is log in with your Spotify account. So it says welcome, sign into Spotify to continue. And at the bottom it says developed by Israel Medina, and you can see some of his links over there. Now this is 100% safe to do, so you don't have to worry about anything. So I'm going to tap on sign into Spotify. Then I'm just going to log in. So when you enter in your username and your password, you'll just be presented with this page. You just have to give them the permission so they can create your color palette for you. So tap on agree at the bottom and it'll just take a moment to load up. And this is the color palette that I get. It is a lot of red in my color palette. So it says you have more energetic songs, giving you a red palette. And then it gives you some more details about the colors. So go ahead and drop what color palette you got in the description. I would love to know. And that is basically something cool I thought I would share with you today. So that is how you get the Spotify color palette. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.